Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Cheryl, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cook crystal clear tapioca pearl without wasting too much on propane gas or electricity if you use an electric stove. Plus, you don't need to soak it overnight. So, you save money and time. Isn't it great? In a large saucepan, boil 6 cups of water. Then, place half a cup of tapioca pearl. Mix and boil again.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well.
Keep simmering for no more than 2 minutes on medium-high heat before turning off the stove. Cover the saucepan for 15 minutes.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I.
Let's start boiling the tapioca pearls again. Follow the previous procedure. You will notice that its color is still solid white, but don't worry, they will soon crystallize as well. Don't forget to mix the tapioca pearls every now and then so they don't stick together.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it.
We are in the third boiling. Remember to follow the same procedure.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
On the fourth boiling, we notice that the tapioca pearls gradually crystallize. It's a good sign that we're in the middle of cooking. Before I forget guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
We are in the fifth boiling. Same procedure. It will be cooked soon guys. Stir occasionally and you can add water if needed.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I.
This is the sixth and I guess the final boiling procedure. We have to mix it very well. Cover the saucepan, then let it cool down for 1 hour.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Our final step is to rinse the tapioca pearls with cold running water using a mesh strainer.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
This is absolutely ready. I'm gonna use it for our ginataang bilo-bilo, which I will post on our next video. Thank you for watching guys. See you tomorrow.